Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a collagen mask at home. This simple DIY mask can help boost your skin's natural radiance and firmness. Using readily available ingredients, you can create a nourishing treatment that supports a smoother, more hydrated complexion. It's a wonderful way to give your skin a revitalizing boost without harsh chemicals, promoting a youthful glow with consistent application. To begin, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder, which is the base for our collagen boost. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of warm water or a soothing herbal tea like chamomile. For added benefits, you can include 1 teaspoon of honey for its moisturizing properties, or aloe vera gel to calm and soothe your skin. Now let's mix our mask. In a small, heat-safe bowl, combine the 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder with the 2 tablespoons of warm liquid. Gently warm this mixture, perhaps in a microwave for 10 to 15 seconds, or over a double boiler, stirring constantly until the gelatin completely dissolves and the mixture is smooth. Then, thoroughly stir in any optional ingredients like honey or aloe vera gel. Once your mask mixture is ready and slightly cooled, apply it evenly to clean, dry facial skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Allow the mask to work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes, letting it firm up. When time is up, gently rinse your face with lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are gone. Pat your skin dry to reveal a refreshed and smoother complexion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.